Hey guys, it's Matt with Susquehanna Ford here, and today I want to talk about a couple things. We like to do these little bit of news clips to keep you guys in the know when it comes to everything that's going on the back end of both of our dealership. Now today's video we are talking about Ford, and probably the coolest thing I want to talk to you guys about is that we are opening a brand new location. So we were relocating from Quarryville to Willow Street, and if you guys aren't local to the area, you're probably like, what does that matter to me? But what's going to be cool is we're building a brand new state-of-the-art facility. We've got a large piece of property. If you follow along on our Facebook page, which I highly suggest you guys do, you can check on our weekly updates, but we're excited to have something like that for when we order these vehicles from our customers all over the country. They can fly in and check out our brand new facility. Now with that being said, we're excited about the new dealership, but we're even more excited to fill it up with new vehicles. In today's video, I want to talk a little bit more about the Ford ordering situation. Now, as we've seen in pretty much all major car manufacturers, there has been a decent delay when it comes to products being made. Now that's with every manufacturer of basically any good or service in the country. If you guys have ordered anything, you know it's taking a lot longer to get it than it normally does. What can I say? We're 2 years, almost 3 years into the pandemic. That's what's going on. So with the Ford side, we do try and be extremely transparent. So at both of our dealerships, we like to let you guys know what's going to either speed up or slow down the process of ordering. Now in Ford's case, there are some things in vehicles that are going to take a little bit longer to get in than normal, and there are some that can actually be built rather quickly. Now we use the word quickly with heavy quotations around it because, as we know, the word quickly has been slowed down than we're used to. So we've kind of readjusted the meaning of that word. Now I will tell you guys that most of the more high volume and popular kind of adventurous out of the box vehicles are some of the ones that are slowed down a little bit more, including the Super Duty lineup, F250, 350, 450, and so forth, the Mach-E, Bronco, Ford Maverick, F-150 Lightning, and the EcoSport, just to name a few. Now we've done videos on most of those, and I can say all of them are really awesome vehicles. And just because I tell you guys that either these will take a little bit longer to do or they require reservations doesn't mean you should give up hope. So definitely follow along on the channel, because when these are available to start placing orders again, we're gonna be the first one to let you guys know how to do that and give you some great pricing if you'd like to work with us. Now with that being said, some of these vehicles actually in Ford's lineup can be built a little bit quicker. So if you're looking for a list, I'm gonna give you a quick list here of some that will be built, I would say, relatively quick compared to something like a Bronco or a Ford Maverick. Now of those models, they include the Bronco Sport, the Escape, Edge, Explorer, Expedition, the Ford Ranger, certain F-150 trims, and perhaps one of the coolest ones is that the Ford Mustang actually is very quick to order and have come in. Now we like our Mustangs here at Susquehanna Ford. We were able to build them out and customize them right here from our dealership. And overall, if you're looking for a powerhouse of a vehicle, besides something like a GT350 or a GT500, those are actually going to be built relatively quickly. Now, like I said, both of these are in their different perspectives. And when I tell you that we are the experts in this, our salespeople know what options are going to slow up or speed up the build. For instance, there was an instance a couple months ago where spray and bed liners would actually hold up the build a completely significant amount of time. I mean, we're talking months just to have a spray and bed liner. We've got a lot of local connections and people that can do that for us. So why wait an extra few months to get your vehicle in when we could simply get it in with us, do the bed liner for you, and then have it delivered right to you? Now with that being said, Ford is doing something that's pretty neat, and this just came across the wire to me, is they're actually creating a second division under Ford Motor Company, and that's going to be the Ford Model E segment. Now Ford Model E is going to hold all of the electric vehicles, including the F-150 Lightning, the Mach-E, and any other fully electric vehicle that they have under their fleet. Now what's neat is it'll be its own division, so they're talking about some sort of online ordering, dealer pickup, or the combination of the two. Once we get more information about this, we'll definitely release it to you. Now as a dealership that really cares about our customers' experience, we're going to be checking that out a little bit more closely and seeing what is all involved. I think it's kind of exciting, and it's a step in the right direction for Ford. If you want to continue the electrification of modern vehicles, splitting them up into two segments might be a good move. You're going to have dealers that will offer both, some that will just offer standard gasoline combustion engines, or maybe you'll even have some that are just the Model E format and they only have electric vehicles. Now in this video, I hope you guys got a little bit more information about what and what is not possible on the Ford side. We like to give these because we like to show our transparency, and obviously if you guys want to order any of these vehicles or have questions about these, feel free to give us a call or go on our website for more information. Now drop a comment below on what vehicles you guys would like to see up close or any other thing that you'd like me to discuss on this channel. Until next time, I'm Matt from Susquehanna Automotive. I'll catch you on the next one.